Somebody up. Good morning, everybody. I'm too excited. You gotta understand, I made a video last night, but I was too sleepy. Work hard, play hard, all right, you guys? For those of you who are out there working really hard, trying to get the things done, I'm with my friends here. I'm gonna put them on live real quick. We got Caesar Dave in the building, my little doctor. Work hard, play hard, you guys. That's what it's all about. If you work hard, you're able to play hard, all right? And you're not able to have the guilt from it. Have systems in place so that when you walk away from your business, things are still running, you guys, all right? Be able to have people with you who are dedicated and motivated to seeing the business grow, just like you want it to, okay? So when you're able to, you can walk away, like me, and you can enjoy these beautiful views. And you can go enjoy breakfast in another town and not have to worry about anything, okay, you guys? Work hard, play hard. That's what it's all about. Making sure that you have systems in play. Like I said, businesses are all about systems. How are they flowing when you walk away from them, okay? Are you able to keep your business running and it doesn't need you necessarily? How much time are you investing in your business? A lot of us want to have a business for a few months and then we act like it's supposed to just be automatic, okay? At least a year for your business to get stable, for you to see the flows of things and see the different, rhythms that you have. Sometimes you won't start making business or knowing how much your business is making until after a year you start to see the patterns and see the things that's going on, all right, you guys? So work hard, play hard. Laura Life has afforded me the ability to make $100 a day. And that's just at least, depending on how hard I'm working for the day, okay? $100 a day has allowed me not only to do that, but help with my Amazon business, okay? We were trying to change the products. I know you guys haven't heard me talking about Amazon, but we have office products, okay? So now we're trying to transition to more things with Amazon. And thanks to Laura Life, I'm able to fully do everything that I need for my businesses. We got taxes coming up, so that's why I'm on vacation right now. I'm getting my mindset prepared so that I can go home and work hard so that I can play hard again. All right, you guys, understanding, and a budget, okay? A budget. All right, I have a family, I have a wife, I have a son, but I'm able to still do things because I budget and because I understand the principles of budgeting and saving your money, okay, you guys? I was saying it last night, look, we're at the Sheraton, almost the top floor, and I booked the hotel, but my bougie self didn't know it wasn't public parking, it's only valet. So we had to pay for valet. And then, of course, you know, I got to look it up while I'm here. They have a nice little cafe. Oh, that we can't just, you know, can't let it not. So we're going to go out and have a little fun today, you guys, all right? I'm going to go ahead and go. Like I said, we're going to do breakfast now. Work hard, play hard, all right? Put in the work. How late are you staying up for your business? How long? Who are you talking to? How many people have you added into your friend request onto Facebook? And how many people have you added into your private groups, into your prospecting groups so that you can get clients? That's what it's about. Working hard, you guys, so that when you wake up in the morning, you have things hitting your queue and you haven't done anything. I woke up this morning to 4 orders. And my lovely wife is at home. She has the emails too, so she actually emailed me and said, hey, I'm working on the teas right now. That's what I mean by having people in your corner who want to grow with you, who want to see the business grow and prosper. That's what it's about, you guys, all right? If you want to join Laura Life, if you want to live a healthy and wealthy life, if you want to make $100 a day, go ahead, hit me up, all right, you guys? I'm going to be coming on Monday with orientation about it to break it down for you. But I'm about to go ahead and go to breakfast now. Everybody's quiet and waiting on me. Y'all have a good one. Work hard, play hard.